Hello, and welcome to Teacher Tidbits. I'm Lady Long, and today I'm going to show you guys some cool activities to do with these foam letters once they have kind of gone out of style in your homes and in your classrooms. So I have here two sets of foam letters, a large and a small set, both of which I've gotten from Walmart a few years ago. And you can see they're beaten up, they're bitten up, and I'm going to show you guys a cool, creative way to reinvent the foam letter. So the first repurpose idea is going to build multiple skills at once. With this activity, you're going to get a little bit of physical motor, fine motor, letter recognition, color recognition, as well as literacy. And so all I've done here is tape down some construction paper. I've placed the foam letters on one side, and then I've taped down some picture flashcards on the other side. Each flashcard that I have here start with one of the letters that are on the floor. And so my current 2-year-old, she'll be 3 in October, is using a pair of tongs that I've actually gotten from the Dollar Tree, and she's going ahead on one side. She's using the tongs to pick up the foam letters, and then she's going to place that letter on the word that begins with that letter. And I love this because you can also rework it to have them just learn the beginning sounds. If your child is a little bit older, instead of just telling them the word, you can tell them the beginning sounds and have them sound out the word. You see, this is a bit of a challenge for my 2-year-old because she's resorting to using her hands, but as they go along the way, encourage them to use the tongs so that way they can build their dexterity in those little fingers. So once the literacy activity is done, I'm having her practice color matching. And all she's going to do is take the tongs and return the letters back onto the corresponding construction paper. I absolutely love this activity because it's building so many skills at once. And not only is it enriching her academically, but she's having so much fun. And for me, it was super easy, super simple to put together, and super easy to disassemble. The next activity, I used the larger letters. And in this activity, I just place the letters together as though it's a mat on the floor. I call out a letter and I have them jump onto that letter to practice letter recognition.
Okay, Sayla, come back. Can you pick a letter? You want to find R? Where's R? Where's the letter R? Yay! Good job. Here is Q. Where's the letter Q? Oh, right.
Well, you guys, this was our quick video on how to repurpose those old foam letters. So before you toss them out, give these activities a try. And leave a comment down in the comment section below if this video encouraged you to be creative in any way. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. This is Teacher Tidbits. Happy learning.